Hello guys, today show you how I built new product. As you know, I already have in past my trading panel for MetaTrader 4. Today I started to create FXPIP trading panel for MetaTrader 5. Here we attach it. Here how it looks. We have a lot of options here, a lot of interesting functions. What we have, we can open market buy, it's buy and break even level. For serial of this, we can sell market, we can close all, we can see statistic today, yesterday, this week, this month. We can hide it if we don't need it. It's really work fast. What else we can do? We can place this as Bitcoin in any area where you can see numbers. You can put a keyboard and mouse. You can say 1000 and it's change the values here. You can place sell stop below price. I will show you just a bid price so you will understand where is bid. This is current price. This is 1000 for Bitcoin. Today's weekends. We not trade Forex, we trade at demo crypto. So this is why we can test. Sell limit higher than the price. We can fast delete it. Same for buy limit, buy stop. What else we can do? We can make step between pending positions. We can make it like this, 500 and 500. We can make 4 positions, and if once we press sell stop, we see that the same distance from current price and the same distance between sell stops. The same we can do for buy. We can fast remove everything. When you see the price moving in channel, the best strategy I have ever tested is you don't do anything, you do nothing, you don't need to analyze anything, you just place sell limits higher than the price and you place buy limits below the price. If price move and pick up them all, you receive the positive hedge, positive lock. It's correct to say lock. At one pair hedging not possible. Hedging only possible at multi-pair. And you receive a positive lock. And this is the best strategy I have ever used and tested. And you don't need to do anything. Just price. To make a profit, price must pick up just one position of buy and one position of sell, or it must pick up 2 positions of sell and 2 positions of buy, and you always receive a positive lock. And no matter where price will go after this, you can delete the rest pending orders that price not touch it, and you can show to your investors every time positive equity. This is really good. So what else we have? We have also trailing stop. We also have trailing stop from break-even level for serial. We can, if you trade the grid, you can press here serial. In this case, this panel will make a trailing stop from break-even of the serial. Once there will be a market positions and there will be a break-even level for all serial of the buy or sell, no matter, you set up it separately, take profit, stop losses, and I will show you how take profit and stop losses works later. And once you will see the trailing stop, you activate the trailing stop like this, activate it for buy and sell, and the serial will be activated. In this case, the robot will, this panel trading robot will place a trailing stop from break even. So it must go from break even 50 pips or points. It depends what the broker you have and digits. You need to test everything before a demo and understand which type of pips you have to enter. And this value must be bigger in trailing stop as the second value. Second value is the distance from current price to stop loss, and it will remove this every 1 pip. So the first must be total profit from break-even of the serial if you use the serial. If you don't use the grid in just trading separate, you'd like to make a trailing stop for separate position, I mean, all you do is just you have a market position, and once you activate the trailing stop, it will use trailing stop for every separate position. The total profit of position must be 50, and it plays 25 pips from current price to first stop loss. And this is how it works. Now if you will see the profit and the trailing stop, trail, I'm not seeing trail, maybe it's not enough stops. Trailing stop not activated here. Here we see trailing stop started to work, and it's closed the position with stop loss like this. This was a trailing stop at Bitcoin, and this is how it works. Let's test it again. Maybe some position will also show us some stop losses and trailing stop. See, it started to trail already. It's closed. This was trailing stop again. It's very low trailing stop for Bitcoin. Need to show it more, but for our tests it's okay. So guys, this is a really good and usable trading panel. It helps us to place at some news also if you don't understand where the news will go, or suppose you don't want to trade this area. You can say I want to place some positions higher than price with some distance. I want to make like 4 position in buy like this, and suppose 8 position in sell. It's really fast work, and if news will jump now fast down, you will receive a profit, and plus you can activate trailing stop losses as well, and everything you can do. Let's test the stop losses and take profit also. I not show you. That's the market position. Let's make some stop loss and take profit. Stop loss 500, 1000. Take profit, stop loss. Here all works. You can delete also stop losses if you don't like immediately. It works like that. And I hope this panel will bring you really interesting profit at news and at channel trading, and also at fast modification of your position. It's really usable. Have a good weekend, guys. It was Alex from FXPIP.